Am I recording? Yeah. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back again to vlog. First of all, happy Valentine's Day sa lahat, of course. Not just sa mga couples, but also sa mga families. And of course, sa self niya rin. Happy Valentine's Day. For today's vlog, syempre, we all know, Valentine's Day. So, pupuntahan natin ang girlfriend ko. And, of course, mag-date kami. What else? What else po ba pupuntahan namin? And, actually, ano ba? First time lang naman date. Like, magkasama for Valentine's Day. Siguro ito na rin yung celebration namin ng aming monthsary since tomorrow pa yun pero since magkasabay sila ng Valentine's Day, so why not pagsabayan na lang namin. But anyways guys, again, sa mga thank you for the like, thank you for the subscribe. Thank you for subscribing me guys. For the around 1,120 ata, 119 ganon na people. Thank you for subscribing me, and for those who haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe and also follow my other social media account, such as Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. And yeah, medyo traffic nga lang ngayon, but I guess ano ba, magagawa naman ng paraan. Record, okay. Medyo traffic lang talaga ngayon for some reason. I guess dahil sa ulan kanina. Umulan kasi kanina dito guys, so yeah. Grabe. Ang traffic, ang lala ng traffic. Kailangan pa talaga ng singit. Ay. Grabe talaga ang traffic. Always dito talaga guys, always traffic sa around Fairview, yung mga ganun. Kaya if ever may manood ng vlog ko around Fairview or QC area, shoutout sa inyo. Grabe talaga traffic natin dito, or in general talaga, ang lala lang talaga ng traffic sa Pinas. So today's Valentine's, guys. Ano ba balak namin gawin ni Novi? Actually, ang balak namin, Korean barbecue lang. At the same time, if ever may time pa, maybe mag-photoshoot kami para may bago ako ipopost sa inyo guys. And to those who haven't follow me yet on Instagram, since yun na yung main ko guys, that's pretty much my main social media, instead of TikTok. It used to be TikTok yung pinaka main account ko, but rather nag-switch up na ako mas pina-prioritize ko lang going main Instagram. So again guys, to those who haven't follow me on Instagram, the click is pretty much nilalagay ko lang yung I'll put the link down in the description box below, or you can just check it on my YouTube channel, or I'll just na lang din. At the same time, I'll just put it somewhere here in the video, parang ganun. Dala ng traffic. Traffic sucks. Traffic really sucks. But wala tayong magagawa. Yan talaga. Traffic everywhere. Kahit isang lupalo ka pa ng Pinas, never mawawala ng traffic. And we're out of the traffic, guys. We're out of the traffic. Although it's still traffic pa rin, but not worse than that. Not worse than this pala kung nasaan tayo ngayon. Ang lala lang ng traffic kanina. Woo! Just Fairview things. At least dito movable na talaga, unlike doon kanina. Pala guys, comment down below kayo kung ano bang balak nyo ngayong Valentine's Day. Kung kasama nyo ba yung partner nyo, kung magde-date ba kayo, or kasama nyo ba yung family nyo, or kung iti-treat nyo lang yourself nyo. Remember guys, Valentine's Day is not only for couples but also for friends, families, or for yourself as well. So guys, comment down below kung ano yung gagawin nyo this Valentine's Day. It's weird, umaambon. It started to get raining again. Which is weird kasi kakalabas lang ng araw lang kanina, kakatila lang, but well, for those of you who don't know, Philippines pretty much have the most unpredictable weather ever. So sometimes it rains, sometimes it's sunny, but never know. Pretty much guys, malapit na tayo, and apparently for some reason bigla umaambon ng malakas. Ewan ko pa talaga sa weather dito sa Pinas. But ang masabi ko lang ay napaka ano lang talaga, ano, pwede lang magmura rito sa YouTube, pwede lang ngayon, kaso ayaw ko ma-demonetize. But again guys, the weather sucks here in the Philippines. Pretty much can't predict kung ano yung magiging weather dito. So whether you like it or not, kung ano yung weather for today, that's pretty much the weather. You can even change it if you can. So cut ko na lang yung video once na tayo kay Lovely. This sucks. Where sucks? Hey.
Let's go.
Palag na natin.
Okay.
Okay, say hi.
Sugat ako.
Saan?
Ayun o.
Ay.
Magsan ako ng bintana.
Sa'yo na lang muna jacket ko. Yes.
Eh?
Sa'yo muna jacket ko.
No, no.
Sige na. Kesa naman maulan. Anong that's okay? Hindi.
Kailangan din kasi kayo nagda-drive.
Ay.
Ako sa likod lang. Naman.
Okay. If you say so po.
RFID pala tayo.
Oo. So, doon tayo ulit sa pinakadulo.
I think so.
Kasi doon yung ano eh. Yung sa RFID. Nagre-record ba? Yeah, nagre-record. Palag na natin. Bigla ba namang ano? Like ang araw na, tapos biglang ganun.
Traffic ba? Ganun si Lobby.
Hindi, traffic oo, pero ang araw, sobrang tirik kanina doon sa amin. Tapos biglang dito, ano, umulan.
Hi, guys.
Yay! Hi guys. Hi. Let's go. I-waste mo nga, Lovey. I-waste mo. Ayala Mall by the Bay. Doon na lang tayo instead dun sa pinaka-MOA. Kasi mahirap dun eh. At least doon may rooftop parking.
Talaga?
Oo. Doon yung mga cars na ano. Ayala Mall, Manila Bay. Direction. Ha? Ay, ready?
Ano pa naman? Ano pa naman yan?
Alcohol mo na lang, Lovey. Nag-loading na. Anong daan natin? Sa may PUP tayo pinapadaan.
Ha?
Sa may PUP tayo pinapadaan.
Try natin mag-wait ulit pag nandun na sa Skyway.
So ayusin muna natin. Sige. Ready na? Let's go. Alright, let's go. Thank you po. Bakit parang tumutunog yung waist mo? Oo. Parang bigla ako may narinig na turn. May biglang narinig ako turn right. Umu-off mo muna. Shucks! Ay, ay, ay. Uy, uy, uy. Labi,
Ha?
kaya ba sundutin yung yung mga card holder ko, pati yung wallet ko sa puwetan ko?
Okay?
Lahat nandiyan sa puwetan ko.
Ano okay?
Ngayon na. Habang red light. Tapos lagay mo sa bag mo. Ha? Yan lang, yan lang. Masikip sa puwet eh. May U-turn kaya doon?
Saan?
Doon sa dulo?
Meron naman.
Meron. So guys, ayun lang na, just update lang. Kumain lang naman kami ng Korean barbecue nila, Ray. Then, nag-photoshoot nita na. Photoshoot. Ay nako. Nag-photoshoot lang, video. I guess edit ko na lang mamaya pag-uwi, for sure. Kung may time, pero kung wala, papahinga na lang ako din. Tomorrow ko na lang i-edit guys. So, ayun lang guys. Hope na magustuhan niyo yung vid. And again, happy Valentine's Day sa inyong lahat. Sa mga mag-couple dyan, family, friends, and yeah, kung ha? Yeah. Anyways guys, yun lang guys. Uwi na kami. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye na. Bye-bye na guys. So, yeah. Ha? Ano kaya atin? Baliw. Doon ka na. Ha? Wag ba? Masungit na yung mga guardia eh. Sige na, let's go na. Anyways guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. Of course, subscribe for more videos like this. And don't forget to follow me as well sa iba kong social media accounts. I'll put the link down in the description. Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. Of course, main ko dun sa tatlong yun is Instagram. Picture pa ata. Ha? Let's go na. We don't have time na. Anong oras na? Anyways, bye bye guys. See you sa next vlog. Puro shorts na lang ulit tayo. And big photo shoot. Mga photos of course. So yeah. Anyways guys, Thank you again and peace out guys.